conventional signs and symbols. Chain line. Chain line helps to check the accuracy of surveying and to locate the interior details. It is drawn in red or crimson lake color. Main stations or triangulation stations. Triangulation station is the fixed surveying station used in geodetic surveying. It's drawn in red or crimson lake color. Traverse stations or subsidiary stations. Traverse station is any point selected on the main survey line where it is necessary to run the auxiliary lines to locate the interior details. It's drawn in red or crimson lake color. Unmetalled roads. Unmetalled roads are made in the absence of cement and concrete. It's drawn in black color. Metalled road. Metalled roads are made of bitumen of coal, cement or concrete and all-weather or season road. It's drawn in black color. Railway line single. A single track railway is a railway where trains traveling in both directions share the same track. It's drawn in black color. Railway line double. A double track railway usually involves running one track in each direction. It's drawn in black color. Road bridge or culvert. A culvert is a bridge-like structure designed to allow vehicle or pedestrian to cross over the waterway. It is drawn in black color. Railway bridge or culvert. Railway bridge allows water to flow under a road, railroad or trail from one side to the other side. It's drawn in black color. The railway track can be above the roadways or vice versa with truss bridges. It's drawn in black color. Level crossing. A level crossing is an intersection where a railway line crosses a road or path at the same level. It's drawn in black color. Road over railway. A road and rail may share the same carriageway so that road traffic must stop when the trains operate. It's drawn in black color. Road in cutting. In road cutting, soil material from rise of the route is cut out to make way for the further section of the route. It's drawn in black color. Road in embankment. A wide wall of earth or stones built to stop water from flooding an area or to support a road. It's drawn in black color. Wall with gate. Gate is a structure that can be opened to provide an entrance for passage through a fence or wall. It's drawn in black color. Boundary line. A boundary line indicates the border or outline of a building. It's drawn in black color. Hedge. A hedge is a row of bushes or small trees, usually along the edges of a garden, field or road. It's drawn in green color. Wire fencing. A strand of wires having small pieces of sharply pointed wires twisted around it at short intervals. It's drawn in black color. Pipe railing. Building a pipe railing on a ramp is even easier with a ramp base fitting. It's drawn in Persian blue. Telegraph line. A wire strung between two locations allowing telegraphic communication between them. It's drawn in black color. Telegraph post. A pole that carries telephone lines above a street. It's drawn in black color. Electric line. Electric lines are commonly used to to carry power from local substations to customers. It's drawn in black color. Electric post. A utility pole is a column or post used to support overhead power lines and various other public utilities. It's drawn in black color. A river is a natural flowing watercourse, usually fresh water, flowing towards an ocean, sea, lake. It's drawn in Persian blue. Canal. Canals or navigations are human-made channels or artificial waterways for water conveyance. It's drawn in Persian blue. Lake or pond. A lake is an area filled with water, localized in a basin. It's drawn in Persian blue. Hill. A hill is a landform that extends above the surrounding terrain. It's drawn in black color. Barren land. Barren land consists of soil that is so poor that plants cannot grow in it. It's drawn in black color. Rough pasture. Rough pasture is non-intensive grazing pasture commonly found on poor soils. Throughout the world, it's drawn in black color. Marsh ground or swamp. A swamp is a wetland that is forested along large rivers where they depend upon natural water. It's drawn in black color. Church. A church building is a building used for Christian religious activities. It's drawn in crimson lake color. Cultivated land. Land used for the growing of crops on a cylindrical basis or a permanent basis. It's drawn in black and green color. Forest orchard. An orchard is an intentional planting of trees or shrubs that is maintained for food production. It's drawn in green color. Tree. A tree is a tall plant with a trunk and branches made of wood. Burial ground or cemetery. A cemetery is a place where the remains of dead people are buried or otherwise interred. It's drawn in crimson lake color. Mosque. A mosque is a place of worship for Muslims. It's drawn in crimson lake color. Temple. A Hindu temple is a symbolic house, seat, and body of God. It's drawn in crimson lake color. Huts. A small, simple building built using readily available materials such as wood, stone, grass, palm leaves. It's drawn in yellow color. Building, that is kacha. Kacha buildings are very high and narrow and built of mud bricks. It's drawn in umber color. Building, that is pucca. Pucca housing refers to dwellings that are designed to be solid and permanent. It's drawn in crimson lake color. Tube well. Tube well is a device for obtaining water from beneath the ground. It's drawn in black color. Open well. Open well is a vertical hole of large diameter sunk in the rock to store groundwater. It's drawn in Persian blue. North line. True north on a map is the direction of a line of longitude which converges on the North Pole. It's drawn in black color.